Hi, this is Marty from Blue Lightning TV. Since 2011, I've been creating and publishing free Photoshop tutorials on YouTube every week. As of this date in February of 2018, I've published over 550 tutorials. I take pride in each and every tutorial since I make sure that you can follow and understand every step I do. If you're a subscriber to my channel or just an avid viewer and my tutorials have helped you learn or improve in Photoshop, consider becoming a patron through Patreon. Patreon is a way to help support my channel. For a pledge of just $2 a month, you'll not only help to keep my channel going, you'll also get instant advanced screenings of my upcoming tutorials 1 week before anyone else can see them on YouTube. Plus, I'll send you a personal thank you from me to you. I appreciate any amount you can pledge, and keep in mind, you can end your pledge at any time or continue to support my channel for as long as you like. Click the Patreon link at the upper right or by clicking the link in my video's description below. In the meantime, thank you so much for your continued support.